Inflation's out of control, and grocery prices? Through the roof. Some folks are saying it's actually cheaper to eat out than cook at home. Sounds wild, right? In this video, we break down the real numbers to see if that claim holds up. But before we dig in, hit that like button and subscribe. We are on a mission to reach 1,000 subscribers, and your support means the world. Let's dive in and find out what's really smarter for your wallet. Is eating out really breaking the bank, or is cooking at home just as expensive these days? We're going to break down the real numbers for 2025, and the answer might surprise you. If you're looking for real ways to save money, hit that subscribe button right now, because you won't want to miss this. Let's get straight to it. The average cost of a meal prepared at home is sitting around $4.23. Now hold on. I know what you're thinking. That number is a national average for simple, budget-friendly meals. Your costs might be different depending on where you live, what you eat, and how many people you're feeding. It assumes you're using basic ingredients, not splurging on premium steaks every night. Compare that to the average meal at a restaurant, which is easily 3 to 4 times that price, often landing between $15 to $20 per person, and that's being conservative. For a family of 4, we're talking about a difference of at least $40 for a single meal. So, why the huge gap? Well, it's not just the food. When you eat out, you're also paying for service, rent, and the restaurant's profit. Plus, there are all those hidden costs. The tip, the cost of drinks, which are always marked up, maybe transportation or parking, and don't forget those sneaky convenience fees on delivery apps. Suddenly, that $15 meal is closer to $25. What's even more interesting is that this price gap is getting wider. In 2025, inflation for food away from home is hitting nearly 4%, while grocery inflation is closer to 2.4%. This means the cost of eating out is rising faster than the cost of your groceries. Your dollar simply stretches further in the supermarket aisle than it does on a restaurant menu. Let's put this into perspective for a family. Imagine you switch just 3 restaurant meals a week to home-cooked meals. If you save, let's say, $12 per person each time, for a family of 4, that's almost $150 in savings every single week. Over a month, that's $600 back in your pocket. Think about what you could do with an extra $600 a month. That's a significant chunk of change that could go towards savings, a family vacation, or paying down debt. Of course, this isn't just about money. It's about your lifestyle. We all have those nights where we're too tired to cook, or we're celebrating a special occasion. Eating out is a treat, a convenience, and a great way to socialize. The key is balance. It's about being mindful and making eating out a conscious choice, not the default habit. When it becomes the norm, that's when it really starts to drain your budget. So, the numbers are clear. Cooking at home is, by a large margin, the more financially savvy choice. It gives you control over your ingredients, your portions, and most importantly, your wallet. What do you think? How much do you save by cooking at home? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to make your money work for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.